Trading will make you rich, and everybody who start exploring it know that, but there can be a catch. Any beginner is doomed to losses. If they don't grow, they'll simply lose the race and be knocked out of the game. Hi everyone, my name is Jamal, and I know exactly what a professional trader needs: the growth. Today, I'll be trading using an interesting strategy, discussing growth points with you and sharing what you need to succeed. I also recommend a great trading book that earned me my first $1,000 and give you a source of free signals for beginners. Watch to the end, it's time to level up. Okay guys, it's time to break down the strategy. Today, we're only using the Keltner Channel, three lines forming a price channel, a breakout of any of these line signals, a continuation of the trend. An exit from the channel is based on the same logic, but the price always retraces back inside. An entry into the channel or a reversal near its boundaries is also a trade signal. Then you might get confirmation in the form of a breakout of the next midline. The asset will keep bouncing, but sometimes the reversal fails right at the midline. A bounce off, it's another entry opportunity. As you probably figured out, with this channel, we are constantly tracking the price and consistently we find the right entry points. These indicator settings are crucial here, and I will show you the perfect setup a bit later. Alright, now it's time to move to practice. Let's start with a new currency pair. Okay, let's enter the launch position. Let's analyze the details. You have a bounce off the channel boundary earlier. There was a failed attempt to break the midline, but the price eventually pushed through on the second try. Now we have a confirmed uptrend and we are capitalizing on it, just waiting for expiration now. Today, I want to discuss an important topic: personal growth in trading. Friends, this is what you need to make progress. Let me give you a key insights right away. If you think you can just find one great trading strategy that will make money for life, switch off your brain and retire forever, you are wrong. Trading is work, in case you haven't realized that. First trade closed, guys taking a short break and preparing to continue on the same chart. We'll keep taking profit as long as the market allows. Everything looks great here. So we are going long again, guys. Let me show you our targets. Up top is a level buyers haven't been able to break yet. Maybe this time they will. Back to our topic. We've already established that trading is work, though I compare it more to a running business. And in business, only those who stay relevant survive. You track news, know your competitors, and constantly innovate to maintain your edge. Trading is no different. Take me for example. I need something about trading every single day for years. I've been learning new information daily. It's a habit and I'm glad. Have it because it brings money. Second trade closed. Guys, meanwhile, let's read the charts. Trading in the perfect setup. I've opened a short position, friends. Let me explain. You have got a red reversal candle, right? At the channel boundary. This is a textbook bounce downward, so don't ask for a better setup. While expiration runs, you've got plenty of time to continue the discussion. Some might ask, why keep overloading my brain with information if everything is working fine? Because sooner or later, it will stop working, my friends. Trading in 2025 is nothing like trading in the 80s or 90s. Every year brings something new. An old method stop working. The perfect profitable trading system will eventually stop making money. What will you do then? Okay, another profitable trade, and it's time to switch charts again. Let's continue with a new currency pair. Perfect. Here we've got a reverse setup on a similar chart, entering a long position. First, let me show you the previous trend line. It's been broken, which means the direction has changed. This aligns with a cross above the center of the Keltner channel. Plus, we've broken outside the channel entirely. A fantastic trade opportunity, folks. I've just shown you a combination of two approaches: indicator, based on technical analysis, trend lines, level, chart patterns. All of this mistakes a whole science you should be studying separate. If you find it interesting, you check out my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Here, I cover all market analysis, method, and share high-quality signal to help grow your account fast. It's free, so don't miss your chance. Okay, another win, guys. Time to switch assets and keep working. Okay, don't rush to skip this video. Understand that many things I said might sound unclear. That's normal. When I first started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all this strategy, divergences, and technical analysis. But now, you have a choice. Either go through the same path I did and learn how to trade on your own while burning through all your deposits at early stages, or can start trading with artificial intelligence that provide ready, tested signals and will help you earn, even if this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed a unique software and have put into it my experience multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes charts 24/7 and gives you 72% accurate signals. All you need is to enter the trade at the right time with the right signal. That's all. Want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and I will explain to you everything. And most importantly, you will get this for absolutely free. So DM me on my Telegram. See you guys. And now we continue. You are still pulling money from the market. This is an easy entry point. Guys, earlier there was a bounce off the lower boundary of the channel, and now the asset has struggled but finally broken through the central line. Price has stabilized, so we can expect continuation. Now, a few tips for staying sharp in trading. First, always be on the lookout for strategies. Even if you already have a working one, keep searching for new ones. Create your own, test old ones, and also upgrade them. That's where you keep discovering new tools, steadily increasing your profits and growing in this field. Ideally, you should have a strategy for trending markets, for sideways movement, and even for specific currency pairs. Okay, another win, guys. Now, you've reached a critical moment for this chart. The assets could either continue rising or reverse. The next candle will close, they tell us. Many beginners in this situation will just keep trading. They are paused for 20 seconds and jump into another trade. I'm relying on my own trading experience and solid understanding of the indicator. So I'm expecting a reversal here. While we got a moment, let's return to the indicators and strategy. See, the more of them you know, the more seasoned you are as a trader. I don't publish videos with new system for nothing. Study them and you grow with me. And yes, I've entered the short position. The last candle gave a clear reversal signal, so we are definitely not ignoring it. By the way, notice how perfectly this aligns with consolidation here. The market is a sequence of patterns and repetitions, my friends. Now we are expecting aggressive downside movement for at least 1 minute. Let's talk about sources for your growth in trading. It makes sense to start with YouTube since videos on this topic are posted regularly. You are watching one right now. It's useful and definitely works. But I want to recommend more sources of information. Videos give you a visual grasp of trading, but only books provide the basis. Perfect, another profit. One last chart switch before we wrap up. Great chart for the finale. I've entered the short position. I think you can see it yourself. An obvious assets reversal and a move back inside the channel. This is exactly what you should be using, guys. So let's seize the moment. So we left off on books. Yeah, they provide the foundation for fully understanding what's happening in trading. If you seriously plan to enter this niche, reading is a must. So here's the book that earned me my first $1,000, Jack Schwager Technical Analysis, the complete course. You can find it online or buy it at the physical store. It doesn't matter. What matters is what's on the inside. The fundamentals of everything that happened on the trading chart. So don't be lazy. Find it, read it carefully, and try to understand it. Okay, another win. The setup is going perfectly. I think we need one more trade to round off the balance nicely. Final trade is open. I won't break it down again. So since we covered everything a minute ago, let's instead repeat my core message. In trading, growth is essential. It's a constant process for both pros and beginners. First and foremost, you need working strategies, and that list should be updated over time. Seek out new ones, upgrade old ones, and aim to have tools for different market types. Also, dedicate time not just to YouTube videos, but also to reading. The most valuable market insights were written years ago by the smartest minds in our craft. I already named a great starter book. Read Jack Schwager. Yeah, he's a true genius. Okay, the bright end of the session on our screen. Now, I'll show you the indicator settings from the scratch so you can replicate my setup. So we are adding the Keltner channel to the charts. Let's configure it right away. Set EMA period to 23, ATR period to 13, the multiply to 2. Follow along. I recommend making the indicator more visible. Choose brighter color, ticking the lines, and remove excess fill. But that's a matter of taste. Now the indicator is ready. Take action, guys. You've got everything you need to start today. Now it's just about that first step. But don't forget the importance of growth, which I emphasize throughout this session. If you want to keep progressing as part of the team, gain access to actionable insights and trading hacks, and trade with professionals, Telegram channel is waiting for you. You are welcome to join. As always, drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.